Spring is in the air, so that makes it the perfect time to talk about, well, air springs. Let's look at the main causes for premature air spring failure and how you can prevent it from happening to your trucks. Overtorque can cause damage to threads or break original fittings. The use of grease or lubrication on the threads can also affect the performance of the torque. To avoid this, it's important to review any general installation instructions and product warning labels for proper torque assembly. For this type of installation, do not use an air wrench. Unrestrained or excessive axle travel can cause the air spring to operate outside its maximum rebound range, thus causing overextension. If left unchecked, the bellow may become separated from its upper or lower mounting parts. To prevent the air springs from exceeding their maximum recommended height, regularly check and/or adjust the height leveling system, shock absorbers, end stops, and air spring specifications. Abrasions may occur during spring operations if the bellow is in contact with other components of the vehicle. Additionally, if foreign objects accumulate at the piston, this may also cause increased wear. Periodically checking the air springs and removing any foreign objects that may have collected from the rolling part of the bellow, as well as ensuring that it is not in contact with any other vehicle components and avoiding harsh solvents, can prolong the life of your air springs. Contamination can happen due to frequent exposure to solvents, hydraulic fluid, acids, or lubricants. This will cause premature air spring failure, being that air spring bellows are not chemically resistant. It's recommended that mineral and oil-based cleaners be avoided. Check the air spring assembly periodically to prevent the excess buildup of oil in air supply lines, and be sure to remove any remaining lubricant from the air spring. The use of air springs outside their recommended range can cause deformation and/or damage the bellow, piston, or bead plate. To avoid this costly repair, it's important to remember not to overload the vehicle and ensure it does not exceed the maximum load capacity. Finally, low pressure. Without internal air pressure, the bellow is unable to uniformly roll over the piston and instead may fold while operating the air spring assembly. Attempting to operate the system without proper air pressure functioning will significantly increase wear of the bellow. Check that air springs are inflated before driving and avoid operating without internal air pressure. Regularly check the air supply lines for leaks and examine the bellow for development of folds. If you do need to replace an air spring, choose a high quality air spring replacement like air springs from Continental. Developed as original equipment, the Continental brand is guaranteed to meet the highest quality requirements that also fulfill the specifications of vehicle manufacturers active in the aftermarket. For more air spring maintenance tips and best practices, be sure to visit airspringreplacement.com. And thanks for watching.